congratulations that you have achieved to become one of the super customers and the person who have the full training all in one DVD. Now if you see this page, it is because I cannot send you right away the programs until you not enter inside Skype. Okay, so you need to enter to create an account on Skype if you don't have it, or use it your Skype ID and ask me for the programs, because I will send it to you the programs here. Okay, so I will send it to you all here with licenses. Okay, so you will gonna have licenses on each program, but I need to send it to you here on Skype to be recorded that I have sent it to you. Okay, now the Skype ID, it's a reg rule, as you can see here. Okay, so it's a reg rule,